Welcome to your latest update for Scotland from the Met Office. Slowly things will be turning milder this weekend, but it's going to be a very cold and frosty start to Friday with a severe frost in places. Still some wintry showers coming in across the north, snow on hills, mostly rain and sleet and hail at low levels. But with temperatures tumbling, again, it is likely to turn icy in places through the night and for Friday morning's commute. Much of the west and the south will simply have a dry and a clear night, and with light winds, that is going to allow the temperatures to plummet -2, -3, even in towns and cities, much lower than that in rural spots, -5, -6, where there's snow lying on the ground across the east and further west, where we could get down to minus double figures, maybe as low as -12 in Drumnadrochit and Dalwhinnie perhaps. So a cold, frosty start to Friday for sure, and still the potential for some icy conditions through that morning rush hour across the northeast especially. Still a few showers early on across parts of Aberdeenshire, but they should be fading from here. Chance that the borders could get clipped with a shower as well, but they should also tend to drift away. And for most of the day, it's just a sparkling day of sunshine. A beautiful day to be getting up in the mountains. The winds will be light, lots of blue sky, lots of sunshine, and temperatures, well, creeping up a little bit, but still on the cold side, 3 or 4 degrees generally speaking, and some mist and fog around perhaps early doors and again on Friday evening. But generally, as I said, just a sparkling day of winter sunshine. As we go through the evening, we're not going to see a great deal of change. The breeze may just pick up a little bit on the west coast. Cloud is starting to approach here, and that is the first sign of the change. Also slowly turning things milder, but again, a hard frost forming in many places during Friday evening. By the time we get to Saturday, though, that cloud is creeping in. It'll be a damp, dank kind of day on the west coast. Rain at times over the southern highlands and perhaps a little bit in the Glasgow area. Much of the east likely to stay dry. We'll hang on to some brightness across the far southeast, but that breeze starting to pick up. But crucially now, look at where it's coming from. It's coming from the south, so it is going to bring milder air. It'll probably still feel pretty cold with the grey conditions, but certainly by the end of the day on the west coast, 8 or 9 Celsius is likely, milder still on Sunday. For a full UK-wide weekend forecast, make sure you check out all of our YouTube channels.